Hi, it's Hayley Morrison FX from Funds and Forex, and in this video, I'm going to talk over this trading checklist that I use, and it's basically just a reminder of things to have open when I'm trading, and it's something that you can print out, you can put next to your laptop so that you remember. So first thing I've got there is your trading goals. So the long-term goals, but it's good to kind of look at these when you're going to trade, just to remember, why you're doing what you're doing, and just kind of remember and focus on your goals and kind of where you want to be. And then the second would be your trading plan. And this is something that you can work on, and it will change as you develop. And both your trading goals and trading plan, there's examples, templates as well that I've got that is downloadable in the Discord. Then the third would be your trading platform. Now, this is like obvious, really. So this is basically where you will enter and manage your trades, whether you're using MT4, MT5, ISO Trader. It's whatever platform is attached to your broker where you will be analyzing and entering your trades. And the fourth thing is Forex Factory. So in the trading plan, in the example, I say, go and check to make sure there's no high impact news. And this is the link that would take you to that website, which looks like this. You can set the time to make sure it's set up with you as well. And literally you just go with your date. So it is Friday. So you pop down and you have a look, and normally it's got an arrow, so there's no more news actually. So it'll have an arrow and tell you whereabouts, what time it's on, and it'll tell you if there's any high impact news. So there's been US dollar news today. So this is really handy to go on, because remember, if there's high impact news, you kind of want to stay away from trading within the hour before and the hour afterwards, normally is what people say. And the next thing you want to have open, which is really, really important, so you haven't got to kind of try and figure out lot sizes yourself, is a position size calculator. Risk management is obviously so important. So having a calculator to work out the correct lot size means that it's just helping you stick to that risk. And I'm going to quickly show you the calculator now. There was a link there. And just to give you a quick run through on how to use this. So you would put in your currency pair, the account currency that your account's with. And this is important because different currencies have different pip values, so it's important to get these two in. Then you would put down your account size, the percentage that you want to risk, and the stop loss, so your pip stop loss. So this 1% is going to go in at these 10 pips. And the trade size lots, you just stick that as 1. And then you press calculate, and it'll come up there. So it's telling you that, your 1% risk is $10, which from $1,000, that's correct, it's $10. Because you've got a 10 pip stop loss, really anyway that each pip is going to be worth, $1, which is a 0.10 in lot size. It hasn't got the 0 there, but it's a 0.10, which is 10,000 units. So if you were going to calculate and make sure that's right, 10,000 units times 0.0010, i.e. pips, it would come up with $10. And that's literally how you use it. So straight away that the lot size you're going to be putting in for this trade, that's what 10 pip stop loss is, 0.10 lots. So really good to have the calculator there, very quick. Another one that is not necessary, but I like to have it and just like to have a little nosy, is the strength indicator. So that link will take you to this, and it's just got some of the main currencies here. So if I was trading pound US, I can see by looking at this indicator, that US dollar has a lot more strength than the pound. Please don't just go off this and go, all right, okay, this is stronger, so I'm going to put a sell in. But it's just use it just as an added extra to confirm, your strategy and your analysis. So it's just handy to kind of have a look at, and just to head over to the pound US and see what's happening. Earlier on, the dollar was a lot stronger than the pound. And as you can see, it has been creating on an hour chart a downtrend. And as the pound is gaining a little bit more strength, you can see the buyers come back in a little bit. It's kind of pushing up a little bit. And then we finally got your trading journal. So again, so your trading goals, your trading plan, and your trading journal, those are documents that you can download and use. And obviously you have this open so that it's already there. So at the end of the trading day, you can kind of put all your results in, and you don't kind of forget to put anything in there. So I hope all these videos have helped. And as always, if anyone's got any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.